Nikki Nightingale's nest. Nikki Nightingale makes a nest in a tree. One night she comes back late. She is tired. She wants to sleep. Her nest is full of nuts. Nikki says, "What do I do now? There is no place to sleep." Nikki counts the nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She has an idea. She picks up a needle and thread. She makes a necklace with the nuts. Nikki Nightingale wears the necklace. She sleeps in her nest. Rhyme time. Nikki has a messy nest. She is tired and wants to rest. 9 nuts are on her bed. Now where will she rest her head? She makes a necklace in her nest. The necklace of nuts is the best.